Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks, and the gentleman sent me the file, and now I kind of understand the reason he found this image on the internet. The only problem I see is that they're CMYK, and like my colors are RGB. I don't think it's really going to matter, but it's hairline on both of them. And he said he tried to cut it out and it just fell apart. He's trying to do it for his grandkids. So it'd be the same thing. And this is why you would want to use this eyedropper tool. So let's edit query, same thing, double click on that, and then go to the eyedropper tool. And since he wants to change the red, we will click on the red, and you can see it's a CMYK. And then just hit OK, find all, and let's just kind of prove it. Let's change them to blue. And then instead of deleting them, and then we can change this to a 5-point blue. The color doesn't really matter, but I'm going to change it back to the red just so he'll know. Well, I need to change it to red here. And see here, you're going to change it to an RGB red, which will actually be better. And then hit OK. So now you have, and you see, when you see that it says servo outlines, it's because it's grouped together. I'd ungroup this one. Let's see what it says in the colors. See, it's an RGB 5, half of a point. So this will engrave and cut. So the black will cut out, and the red now is going to engrave. And you could always change those colors, but it's not really necessary to cut out this one particular item. I hope that made sense and hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.